We got bags, sort of. Well, I finally have a setup of bags for my BMW R1300GS Adventure, but not the BMW bags, but I did get a set of Mosko bags. I wanted to keep the original rack, so to speak, which is very different from the old rack on the BMW, but I wanted to keep that because I wanted to also put on the BMW aluminum panniers whenever BMW makes those available. So I do like the Mosko Moto panniers they have, the soft ones. I had actually had 2 sets of them before. I thought they're great, but I couldn't fit this on this bike without changing that OEM rack to something else, which means I couldn't use the OEM bag. So I went with the Mosko Moto Reckless, or actually Reckless 80s Revolver. It's didn't take very long to assemble it. Kind of comes as a quick kit in the box. So what you have here, this is an 80 liters. So on the right side you have a holster here with a dry bag inside it, and a smaller holster here with a smaller dry bag. On top of it I have a dry bag as well with the beaver tail. Under the beaver tail here is the another dry bag. Comes with a couple of hooks here, something to hang your camera or keys on when you're parked or whatever other stuff you need to do. It does come with these straps here. You can attach it to the luggage rack. I bought what they call the knoblin. And so if you can see it here, it's actually a knob that sits under here that sticks up like this, and you just have a horseshoe mount that comes over it, and you slide over that, and that's all I'm gonna do in the back of the bike. It stays on there, and then on the side here you actually have to adjust the angle you want on this when you set it up for your bike. I have it set for number 3 on my bike. That seemed to be the best angle on the Adventure. And it's installed here just with the straps going to the passenger foot pegs. So this is pretty quick to put on and off. If you want to take off the whole unit, I just take off these straps, the right side and left side, and then slide it back over the knob, and I can take the whole bag set with me up to a hotel room or whatever it is. Or these are just the dry bags here, just come out, that undo the 3 straps, 1, 2 and 3, and they slide right out of there. These smaller pockets is 1 strap I have to undo, and they slide right out of there. And the beaver tail, it's 2 buckles, just open up, and you get your bag out from the beaver tail here as well. So I only stood on the bike in the garage to see if they interfere with anything. I don't think they do. They come out pretty wide. They have this I don't know if it's Kevlar or plastic material, but the nice thing is they're coming out this far, they don't go down on my exhaust and stuff, so I don't need the exhaust shield, and they're not going to melt the bags or anything onto the exhaust. So I would assume when these get used a little bit, they're going to come down further. I would assume it's going to bend in a little bit, but anyway, so far looks like a good solution. I will probably use these when I go in off-road areas that is really rocky, or where there's a large opportunity that I will end up going down. This is certainly easier to get one of the soft panniers on your leg than a aluminum pannier, and they also don't dent. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.